Hi, I'm Saiful and I am a final year business student from Jahangirnagar University. As of now, Bangladesh is going through some uncontrollable microdynamics that's affecting all phases of the market. Price hikes of commodities, inflation, and unregulated market practices all are happening at once. Rangpur, which is one of the metro cities of Bangladesh, is also facing the heat of the ongoing disturbances in the market. Tabassum, who is the territory manager of the Rangpur area, has been seeing a decrease in sales growth in some of the outlets of Unilever. Now she is assigned by her area manager to do whatever necessary to regain the sales growth again in the Rangpur area. By analyzing the data on outlets of 2021 and 2022 sales, Tabassum found that the B2B enrolled outlets primarily have seen the year-on-year growth, whereas the non-B2B enrolled outlets have experienced a decrease in sales growth from the last year. However, from the market research, Tabassum also found that some external and internal factors behind this decrease in sales growth. One of the external factors is that market economy or trend is going downwards because of the recent inflation. The inflation rate is rising by 6.22% according to Financial Express. And because of that, consumption has decreased a lot as people are spending much less in essential items. So the overall sales for that reason of Unilever has also decreased. Another external factor is the tendency of retailers to reserve essential items in the hope of getting more money when the prices go up. The market syndicates have become more active nowadays, and the government is also aware of that, and they have recently reported to take action. Besides that, Tabassum also found that the relationship of the outlet owners and sales officers has gone down because of the implementation of the automation or B2B system. There is also a communication gap and delay as the outlet owners are directly ordering through the app rather than communicating with the SOs or the sales officers. This can be another factor behind the decrease in sales growth from last year. Based on these reasonings, Tabassum has planned 3 solutions to increase the sales in the retail outlets. First of all, she plans to implement a sales management plan with her team. According to this plan, Tabassum will collect real-time sales data from the market through market visits and activations. According to this data, the outlets will be again categorized based on the focus needed. The less performing outlets will receive the strategic drive from Unilever Bangladesh Limited, such as short-term credit limit or creating rewards and appreciations, etc. The second strategy is to increase and facilitate communication across the territory with the help of B2B enrollment. With the help of sales officers, Tabassum will personally visit outlets and drive them to avail the Liver Bazaar app and get more traction from the Unilever Bangladesh Limited. The third strategy is that Tabassum plans to introduce a customer loyalty or ambassadorship plan. Under this, she plans to provide yearly monetary benefits to the best performing 5 outlet managers. It will motivate retail sales to push more sales. Also, an ambassadorship program under which the top 5 best performing outlets can buy certain amount of products on credit for the next year. Another problem Tabassum is facing is the low retention rates of the sales officers. When the sales officer leave after 1 or 2 months of the job, the time and money spent on the training are wasted, and also the outlets meeting with new sales officers every day is not also good for the overall relationship and sales numbers. To increase the retention rates, Tabassum plans to take these 2 measures to reduce the sales officers' attrition. Limited career growth opportunities and job boredom are the leading causes of employee turnover. Tabassum will introduce a half-yearly raise based on the performance and internal recruitment opportunities for the sales officers. Under the 6-month raise policy, sales officers who achieve a 10% growth and filled up the target consistently will get a 25% raise on salary benefits. Also, sales officers who achieve the target consistently will get an internal promotion opportunity to the other positions of customer development. Another strategy Unilever will take is to provide employees with motivation beyond money. It's one of those counterintuitive retention strategies for sales employees, but it works. Managers and business owners should provide the sales officers an opportunity to lead a client pitch, allow them to run training sessions on new employees, and ask them to provide suggestions on sales strategy. Everyone thinks top salespersons are solely motivated by money, but that's not true. According to a research, top performing salespeople are most motivated by knowing they have a positive impact on their business and on their customers. And that's how territory managers like Tabassum solve problems by fostering creativity and digitalized solutions to make the life of sales officers and outlet owners more easier.